Have you ever looked at an old photograph of yourself and noticed the sparkle in your eyes? That brightness that used to shine so effortlessly? Over the years, as we grow wiser, our bodies change in ways we sometimes don't notice until one day we realize that the world around us seems a little less sharp, a little dimmer, and our eyes don't capture light the way they used to. For many seniors, fading eyesight feels like an unavoidable part of aging. But what if I told you that nature, in her quiet wisdom, has provided us with powerful ways to slow or even gently reverse this decline, hidden not in pills or surgeries, but in something as simple and comforting as the foods you already know and love? Tonight, we're going to uncover a secret that your eyes and your entire body will thank you for. It's about 4 humble nuts that, when eaten before bed, can help your body restore and protect your vision naturally. These are everyday foods, yet their effects are extraordinary. They work silently as you sleep, nourishing the cells of your eyes, improving blood flow, and strengthening the delicate tissues that give you sight. Whether you're reading fine print, recognizing faces, or simply admiring the sunset, these 4 natural gifts can help your eyes stay clear, strong, and full of life. So before you reach for another eye drop or prescription, stay with me for the next few minutes. You'll discover how something so small can bring light back into your world, one bedtime snack at a time. The truth about aging eyes. Vision decline doesn't happen overnight. It's a slow and quiet visitor. Over the years, the lens in your eyes becomes less flexible. The tiny blood vessels that nourish your retina begin to weaken. The macula, the part of your eye responsible for sharp central vision, starts to thin. Exposure to sunlight, blue light from screens, pollution, and even stress creates oxidative damage, tiny chemical reactions that slowly erode your eye health from within. Many people believe this decline is irreversible, but that's not true. The human eye is a living organ, capable of healing and renewal when given the right support. Just like your skin can heal from a cut, or your heart can grow stronger with exercise, your eyes too can rejuvenate with proper care. The secret lies in nutrients, the right antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that protect and rebuild the cells of the eye. And here's where it gets fascinating. Research shows that nighttime is when your eyes go into repair mode. As you sleep, your body restores tissues, reduces inflammation, and flushes out cellular waste. When you feed your body specific nutrients right before this restorative period, you enhance that natural healing process. That's why eating certain nuts before bed can have such a powerful effect on your vision. They're rich in the exact compounds your eyes crave: omega-3 fatty acids, vitamin E, zinc, selenium, lutein, and zeaxanthin, the essential nutrients for healthy sight. The first vision hero, walnuts. Let's begin with the first and perhaps most famous nut, the walnut. At first glance, its shape resembles the human brain, and that's no coincidence. Nature often gives clues in design. Just as walnuts nourish the brain, they also support another organ connected to the nervous system, your eyes. Walnuts are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, particularly DHA, a critical component of the retina. DHA strengthens the photoreceptor, cells that capture light, and send visual signals to your brain. Without enough DHA, these cells weaken, leading to blurry or dim vision over time. Studies show that regular walnut consumption improves blood flow to the eyes and reduces oxidative stress, one of the biggest causes of age-related macular degeneration. And there's more. Walnuts contain melatonin and magnesium, two natural sleep enhancers. When eaten before bed, they don't just feed your eyes, they help you fall asleep more deeply. Deep sleep is when your body performs its finest repair work. So as you drift into rest, the nutrients from the walnuts circulate through your bloodstream, calming inflammation, repairing damaged tissue, and nourishing your optic nerves. All you need is about 3 to 4 walnut halves before bed, raw or lightly toasted. Avoid salted or sugar-coated ones as they can counteract the benefits. Think of walnuts as your eye's night repair capsules, gifted directly by nature. The second vision. Ally almonds. Next comes the queen of skin, nerves, and vision, the almond. Almonds are tiny powerhouses of vitamin E, one of the most potent antioxidants known to man. Vitamin E acts like a shield, protecting your eyes from free radicals, unstable molecules that cause cellular damage and cloudiness in your vision. Over time, oxidative stress can lead to cataracts and retinal degeneration. But regular intake of vitamin E, especially from natural sources like almonds, slows down these changes remarkably. For seniors, this means sharper focus, less dryness, and fewer instances of blurred or tired eyes. There's another secret to almonds: soaking them overnight. When you soak almonds and peel their brown skin before eating, you activate their enzymes and make their nutrients easier for your body to absorb. Eating 5 to 7 soaked almonds before bed allows your body to receive a steady flow of vitamin through the night. As you rest, these nutrients rejuvenate your lens and cornea, keeping your eyes moist, clear, and resilient. So the next time you think about a late-night snack, skip the biscuits and sweets, reach instead for a few soaked almonds. Your eyes will thank you with brightness that lasts for years. The third vision protector, pistachios. Now let's turn to a nut that's often overlooked but carries some of the most powerful compounds for vision health: pistachios. These small green gems are packed with lutein and zeaxanthin, two carotenoids that concentrate in the macula of your eyes. Think of them as your eye's natural sunscreen. They filter out harmful blue light and ultraviolet rays, protecting your retina from long-term damage. In a world where screens have become a part of daily life, these compounds are nothing short of essential. Without enough lutein and zeaxanthin, your eyes become more vulnerable to glare, dryness, and even vision loss over time. But by eating a handful of pistachios, about 20 to 25, you give your body a rich dose of these protective nutrients. What's remarkable is that pistachios also contain resveratrol, the same compound found in grapes and red wine, known to enhance blood circulation. Better circulation means more oxygen and nutrients reach your eyes. The result is better focus, sharper detail, and improved color perception. To enjoy their full benefit, choose unsalted natural pistachios. Eat them slowly, savoring each bite. You can even warm them slightly or pair them with a cup of herbal tea before bed. As you rest, their nutrients will circulate gently through your body, guarding your eyes like silent night watchmen. The fourth vision healer, Brazil nuts. The last on our list is the mighty Brazil nut, small, simple, but packed with one of the rarest and most essential minerals for eye health: selenium. Selenium is an antioxidant that protects delicate eye tissues from oxidative stress and UV damage. Seniors often suffer from selenium deficiency without even realizing it, leading to faster vision decline, cataracts, and fatigue in the eyes. What makes Brazil nuts extraordinary is their potency. Just one nut can provide your daily requirement of selenium. It's that powerful. But because it's so concentrated, moderation is important. One Brazil nut a day, no more, is perfect. Beyond eye health, selenium supports thyroid balance, immune function, and metabolism, all of which play a role in how your body uses nutrients for cellular repair. Combine that single Brazil nut with a few almonds and pistachios, and you have one of the most balanced nighttime snacks your eyes could ever receive. Think of it as your eyes' midnight fuel, natural, gentle, and deeply restorative. The nighttime magic. Why before bed? You might wonder why this routine should happen before bedtime. The answer lies in how your body heals. During the night, when you're at rest, your parasympathetic nervous system takes over. This is the rest and repair mode. Blood flow to the eyes increases, damaged proteins in the lens are replaced, and your retina clears out toxins accumulated from daily exposure to light. When you eat these 4 nuts, walnuts, almonds, pistachios, and Brazil nuts, right before bed, your bloodstream becomes rich with antioxidants, healthy fats, and essential minerals at the exact time your eyes are repairing themselves. This synergy allows your body to work smarter, not harder. Over time, seniors who adopt this simple habit often notice profound changes. Morning eye dryness fades. The world appears clearer, colors more vibrant. Reading becomes easier, and even night driving feels less straining. It's not magic, it's biology supported by nature, creating the perfect bedtime routine. Here's how you can make this powerful habit part of your nightly ritual. About 30 minutes after dinner, prepare a small bowl with your nut mix. 3 walnut halves, 5 soaked almonds, 20 pistachios, and 1 Brazil nut. Sit somewhere quiet and calm. Avoid screens. Let your eyes rest from artificial light. Take a slow breath, feel the weight of your day ease away, and enjoy the simple pleasure of eating foods that heal you. Sip a cup of warm chamomile or milk afterward. This not only aids digestion but also calms your nerves, helping you drift into deeper, more restorative sleep. Within a few weeks, you'll begin to notice subtle changes, not just in your eyes, but in your energy, skin, and sleep quality. Vision clarity is only part of the story. These nutrients also support your brain, your heart, and your nervous system. They remind your body of its natural rhythm, to restore, to heal, to renew. A word of wisdom. Nature's healing takes time. We live in an age of quick fixes. We expect instant results from supplements or surgeries. But true healing, the kind that lasts, takes time. Just as a seed takes time to become a tree. The nutrients you consume tonight may take weeks to fully transform your cells. But each night you repeat this ritual, you're feeding your eyes, heart, and mind with life itself. Remember, your eyes are not separate from your soul. They are windows through which you experience beauty, emotion, and connection. Treat them gently. Nourish them wisely. Final reflection. Seeing the world anew. Imagine waking up one morning and noticing that the world looks a little brighter. The greens of the leaves seem deeper, the sky a bit more vivid, and reading the morning paper feels easier. That's the beauty of consistent natural care. The changes happen quietly, almost imperceptibly, until one day you realize that your eyes have found their clarity again. And all it took was a few simple nuts, a few mindful minutes before bed, and faith in the gentle power of nature. So tonight, as you prepare for rest, remember this small ritual. Take your bowl of walnuts, almonds, pistachios, and a single Brazil nut. Feel the gratitude in your heart for all that your eyes have seen in this lifetime. The faces you've loved, the sunrises you've witnessed, the pages you've read. You deserve to see clearly, to see fully, and to keep seeing the beauty of life for years to come. Because even in our golden years, clarity, both in sight and in spirit, is something we can restore. Nature has already given us the tools. All we have to do is use them. So close your eyes tonight knowing that your body is working in harmony with the earth's gifts. Rest easy. Let the gentle wisdom of these 4 humble nuts do their quiet magic. And when you open your eyes tomorrow morning, may the world look just a little brighter, a little clearer, and a little more beautiful than it did before. For more videos, subscribe my channel.